for everyone. Today I'm gonna share my internship experience at inSAKE Solutions. During this internship, I learned Python programming. Python programming is a cornerstone of our data science internship at inSAKE Solutions. It serves as a primary language for data analysis, modeling, and visualization. Python intuitive syntax makes it accessible for beginners, while its versatility allows for complex data manipulation and analysis. The mentors, Karthik Menda and Soy Shetty, trained us very well. We learned the pandas for data manipulation and NumPy for numerical computations, Matplotlib and CPON for visualization, scikit learning for machine learning. We have done all these things in Jupyter Notebooks for interactive coding. Python seamlessly integrates with other key tools and libraries used in data science, ensuring compatibility and efficiency in the workflow. Proficiency in Python aligns intent with industry expectation as it is preferred language for data science roles in many organizations. By emphasizing Python proficiency, we equip with a valuable skill set that is not only essential for success but also forms a strong foundation for our future in data science field. Thank you.